I have completed my internship from the company Collabzenics. It's a very nice company where the team working in Collabzenics is very supportive and very cooperative with its intern. Where the training which I have been given in this 2-month period was of equity research analyst. It basically belongs to the fundamental analysis, technical analysis, financial analysis, creation of the company, and it means how the company works, how is the financial management of the company, and various things. And I have also learned about the economy, and I have also learned about the corporate behavior, then how it creates its share price, and means belong to basically the stocks and various things. And the training also includes some investment banking courses and training courses about the Excel prioritize and the data entry in the Excel and many such more things. Each and everything in my internship was very fruitful, and my journey was very skillful. I have learned many of things which makes me 10% of the skillful person, which will be help me in achieving my future endeavors. Thank you, Collabzenics. Thank you, Collabzenics team.